my YouTube channel. Today we are making pandesal. This is my work. Mommy, show your work, show your work. It's big! Yeah, Mommy separated it so that I can also work. And I'm doing a great job. Let's make it done.
We show to them later. Okay?
Yes, Mom. Okay, I'm done. Hi again, guys. So we paused that video so that we can speed run this one. And I also made a sculpture, but it's not done, really. And I made a dress. And then if it has a head and then hair, it will be done. Okay, let me make the arms.
You do it by hand.
Yes, Mom. Never mind what about it.
Oh, it's moving.
Oh, why is it moving?
What are you doing, little girl?
I am kneading dough. This is pandesal, and it will be baked, and it will be pandesal. Hi again, and after 1 hour, look at its size. It's so heavy and big. Now we're gonna punch it down so that the air can release. Boom! Wow! It's so nice and oily. Oh, I'm sorry. Let's get it out.